Much, Hannah. Now, foster children are far more likely to become victims of human trafficking than other children. Now, that's information from BCFS Health and Human Services, and that is also why they're trying to bring awareness about the issue. KENS 5's Andrew Moore attended a panel held by the nonprofit today. And Andrew, what did you learn?
BCFS Health and Human Services tells us that they are working very, very hard to bring focus to this issue where local populations are having issues with human trafficking. Today they had a panel on how foster care systems need to prevent and respond to human trafficking. We asked how that panel can help San Antonio, how San Antonio can be part of the solution.
4 kids basically end up as homeless or involved in a trafficking situation within the foster care system.
Central and South Texas, unfortunately, has its share of human trafficking. And Carly Dupart, who has spent 24 years with St. Jude's Ranch for Children, says the foster system needs more support.
Going to the grocery store and buying the same things that you buy for your family, or volunteering to mentor a child.
Mosley Robinson grew up in that foster care system and now works for the Department of Family and Protective Services. He still remembers the feeling of abandonment growing up.
I'm trying to remember why, my family didn't fight for me.
And says kids in that system can easily be exploited.
They will end up looking to human traffickers or other avenues to receive that system of support.
Panelists said it's not enough to just put a child in a home. Service providers need to follow through and make sure there is mentoring and emotional support. Because if a kid doesn't want to be in a home, they won't stay there.
They're runners. I mean, they really are, and that's what they're going to do.
Dupart says any child can be a target, and it's important for parents, mentors, and even teachers to be vigilant against trafficking.
Pay attention to social media. Pay attention to what your children are doing on their cell phones, on the computers. Pay attention to, the friends that they have.
And BCSF Health and Human Services also collects things like gift cards, bus passes for youth and other people in their human trafficking survivor programs. If you want to help them out, that's something that you can donate. Audrey?
All right, thanks so much, Andrew. There is a national human trafficking hotline available 24/7 if you or someone you know is a victim. That number is 1-888-373-7888. You can also text HELP or info to 233-733.